One of the things that can be one of the most cringe-worthy and painful events during the holiday season is the office holiday season party. And there was a fantastic parody in the show The Office of just how cringe-worthy and awful a bad office holiday Christmas party can be. So, question for all of us, and for leaders in particular, is this: how can you make your office holiday party something special and really reflect your values and your brand and your culture in nuances and aspects of what you do and how you make it work? Other things to keep in mind: always take the time to meet the spouses of your colleagues at the holiday season party. Don't just go and hang out with your regular buddies, but make that effort and get to know someone new. I promise you, by doing these efforts, it'll go a long, long way to making what can otherwise be a painful event into something meaningful, special, and that enhances your own relationships with people in the organization and the organization overall.